Hello everyone, how's it going? It's Faster Auto Keys here, and in today's video we're going to show you how to go from a worn, old, and possibly damaged Audi key into a brand new looking key with a replacement key shell. We have these keys available with and without a chip, and with and without a cutting service. If you would like a cutting service, all you have to do is make sure that you select the key with a cutting service and text us a photo of your keyblade. With a photo of your keyblade, we're able to make a copy, which means you will have an already cut key sent to your house without having to drive anywhere or pay an outrageous service fee. In the description, we'll have a link to this key if you're interested. Now that both sides of the key are done, we're just going to simply go ahead and close it together. And we're officially done. We have a brand new looking key with your original keyless remote and transponder chip inside. All the buttons work. They feel great. The key looks new. This key will have a cutting service. If you're going to order without a cutting service, all you have to do is use your old key blade arm instead of the new one, and you should be good to go. If you have any issues for any reason, there is a little pin that is holding this blade in place, and there will also be a pin holding this blade, and all you have to do is with another pin just knock it out, punch it out with a hammer, release the blade, and just switch them. From there you'll be good to go. This tutorial has now been completed. I want to thank you for watching. I hope this helped you out in your situation. As mentioned previously, if you'd like this key with or without a chip, with or without a cutting service, you can check out the link below in the description. And if you do want a cutting service, just text us a photo of your key blade to our tech support number, and we'll be able to provide a cutting service at the convenience of your house. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can text our tech support number. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope you have a good one.